Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to cook large scale chicken dum biryani on normal gas stoves. If you like this biryani, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification for further upcoming videos. Let's get started. The ingredients are 5 kg big pieces of chicken, cleaned and washed, 3 kg of basmati rice, washed and soaked, 1 kg of finely chopped and fried onions in 600 ml of oil, 300 grams of garlic ginger paste, lemon juice squeezed from 4 big lemons, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 4 tablespoons of chili powder and 15 green chilies chopped, 1 tablespoon of shahi jeera, the star anise powder. I am using star anise powder 1 teaspoon. This is the star anise. You can use 5 to 6 numbers of star anise directly also. 3 to 4 bay leaves, 15 cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks and 10 cardamom, 3 kapok buds, 1 big bunch of mint leaves, 1 big bunch of coriander finely chopped, 3 tablespoons of ghee. For the topping, biryani masala. I am using Aati biryani masala, 4 tablespoons. Handful of dry fenugreek leaves and 600 grams of curd, quarter teaspoon of orange food color and 300 ml of milk. Let's get started. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, because I added salt while frying the onions, 1 tablespoon, that's why I am adding 1 tablespoon. We can adjust the salt later. Turmeric powder, chili powder, star anise powder, spices, shahi jeera and pepper powder, green chilies, garlic ginger paste, curd, lemon juice. Make sure there are no seeds. Coriander. I am leaving some coriander for topping. Mint leaves. I am leaving some mint leaves for topping. Biryani masala. Handful of dry fenugreek leaves, smash and put. Keep some fried onions for the topping. Add the remaining all onions and oil. Mix everything until well combined with your clean hands. Mix everything nicely. See, like this. Mix for 5 minutes. Then only our chicken become juicy and tasty. Check one time. Salt and the spiciness. Then anything needed you can adjust. I need some more salt, so I am adding. Mix well. The chicken should touch the bottom of the vessel. See how colorful is our chicken marination. Now let it marinate for 1 hour. See guys, half an hour ready. I marinated the chicken. Now I am going to boil this water to cook rice and add some spices to give it the flavor, and some coriander leaves, some mint leaves, and add salt. Make sure the water should be little salty. Then only our rice will get good taste. Add 2 tablespoons of oil so that our rice will not stick. On the stove and put the flame on high, cover the lid and cook until it comes to a boil. See guys, our water boiling. Lower the flame. Now add the rice. Make sure the water should be salty. Then only a good taste comes to our rice. Add carefully. Put the flame on high and mix. Cover the lid and cook until the rice 70% cook. Since we are cooking large quantity of biryani on a small stove, so for every 1 minute keep mixing the rice so that our rice will cook evenly. Our rice done ready 70%. See, you can see. If you press like this, it should be little soft. Now I am going to off the flame. Quickly take a strainer. If you can drain this water all at once, you can do also. Now sprinkle. This is the first layer. Now sprinkle the fried onions. Mint leaves, and the coriander leaves. Now put the top layer. Now sprinkle the remaining mint leaves and the coriander leaves and the fried onions. This is the leftover oil of the fried onions. Add 200 ml of cooked rice water. Add 300 ml of milk. Food color, 3 tablespoons of ghee. Mix until well combined. Now sprinkle this water. Yeah, sure. See. Take this lid. I mix all-purpose flour, maida. Put the lid upside down and put the maida dough as shown. press this dough. Now turn over the lid and press the edges to seal it so that the steam will not pass out. We are preparing this biryani for 25 to 30 people. Now I will show you how to cook this large quantity of biryani on this small stove. On the stove and put the flame on high. See guys, put this, the remaining water from the rice and let it cook for 10 minutes on high flame. See guys, it's 10 minutes ready now. Take this out. See, carefully cook to the sides. Carefully hold like this. Cook all the sides by turning the biryani pot for every 30 seconds for 3 minutes. This is the technique of cooking large quantity of biryani on small stoves. Keep turning so that the biryani will cook evenly all the sides. Now lower the flame and take out this biryani pot. See guys, now I am going to place this spoiled pan under this biryani pot like this. Now raise the flame to high. See guys, place this leftover rice water again on the top of the biryani pot and cook for 25 minutes. See guys, it's 25 minutes ready. Now I am going to off the flame. Leave this like this for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I am going to open the lid and check whether the biryani cooked perfectly or any water left. Take the big spatula like this and dip into the middle and check. See, there is no water left. The spatula is clean, not wet. See the rice perfectly cooked. See guys, how our biryani looks. Let's check any water left down or not. Let's see. See guys, no water left. Hope you guys like this biryani. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.